Can you upload directly to Twitch? And the answer is yes. How do you do that? I'm just going to show you in this video. So once you're in your Twitch accounts, let's say, but I will ask you to use a computer, not your phone. Now, let's say I'm right here at, let's say, back to Twitch, but there's something you need to know. So I'm just going to switch back to create a dashboard. And once you're on your creator dashboard, you get to this section here. But first, you need to understand one thing. You need to be an affiliate member before you can do this. Most people will just tell you, yes, you can upload and all of that. But at the end of it all, you'll find out you can't because you're not an affiliate member yet. Once you're an affiliate member, you see, I just got my membership just like yesterday, some few hours ago, before making this video. I've really wanted to make this video because I see people ask these questions and struggling about it. So first, you go to this left section once you're already an affiliate member. Then you come to content here, content. Then you come to video producer. When you see video producer, you see uploads here. But you only have 100 hours of uploads. That is, you can't just upload any high quality content one time. You're gonna exhaust your 100 hours of storage. So what can you do to fix this? That's one of the reasons why I'm making this video. I just thought about it. If somebody wants to upload, let's try the upload, how it works. So I'm just going to minimize that. Then you see the upload here. You click on upload, and let's say it works. So you go to your desktop. I can just say I want to post this video about cars. Kind of like heavy file though. So I did this vlog on my YouTube channel about my Twitch. So guys, also please go ahead and follow me on Twitch. Please. So when you say open, you're just gonna start uploading. Then you see this right here. So it's like 585 megabytes. That's a lot of space, don't you guys think? It's a lot of space anyway. Now, once you've done this, so now the advice I wanted to give to you guys, or I want to share with you guys, is this. This is how it's supposed to be. So I'm just going to cancel this. I'm not going to upload it. I'm just going to cancel the upload. I'm not uploading this because I don't want to exhaust my space. I don't want to upload something like this. So it's about vlogs. Anyway, now the thing here is, if you want to upload, before you upload, I will advise you that you first go re-download it. So let's say, so this is my YouTube, or let's just go to Facebook. Now this is my page. For example, I want to upload a video. I'll first upload it to my other platforms, like my YouTube, my Facebook page. So I do reaction videos on Facebook. So now say this, I'll just come first and I will copy the link. Please guys, stay with me. I want to show you how you can minimize your storage on Twitch. So you first like download. I'm going to re-download this. Okay, close, come on. Close all notifications. Okay, what's going on right now? So I'm just going to minimize, rearrange this again. So I'm just going to go to the browser. I'm going to go to Facebook video downloader. Facebook video downloader. Then I will just, let me use this one. So I'll paste the link here and I'll say download. Yeah. So I'll say download video, normal quality. There's high quality and all that. I don't want to exhaust my space, like I said. So I'm just going to click on download. I'm just going to cancel this. So it's already downloading right here, as you can see. So I'm just going to drag this out here. So here we go. So this is my video. Now I want to upload it. Now this is what I want to upload. Let's say you have a video, heavy files, is very heavy, and you want to upload that. I will just advise you first upload it, save it there, re-download it. By then you've already compressed the file. Except you can compress the file. You can see that's like 2.3 megabytes. Yeah. So you're gonna be able to have so much content to upload, and you still have enough space. Now, apart from just uploading this, we need to do some few tweaks to this. So you can say publish. So it's still processing. You're just gonna wait for it to finish processing. You can say publish. Once you say publish, it goes live. When people come to your page or your platform, they can see your VOD. That's video on demand. Are you sure you want to publish? Blah 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 blah. The links. Now that's another problem. We need to fix this link. Let it finish processing. Then we'll edit this, and I'm just gonna wait for this to finish up. Save changes. Okay, I don't know how long this is gonna take, but I wanted to show you how you can correct this URL, and also you can also create or give it a thumbnail like this video right here. I gave this video a thumbnail. This both videos, they have thumbnails. So yeah, that's just it. I hope you guys understand this process. First, you need to be an affiliate member before you can be able to upload videos directly to your Twitch account. It doesn't have to be IRL or any of your previous stream that you need to upload. You can upload directly from anywhere. Let's say you shot a vlog, you can just upload directly to your Twitch. I hope this video did help. If it did, let me know in the comment section. Smash the like button, subscribe. Please, please, please follow me on Twitch. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.